Hi dear all students. In previous video of a science lesson, we learned that how plants are autotrophic in nature, how photosynthesis process is get completed by leaves in plants, and in this process oxygen is released in the air and glucose as a food is prepared inside leaf which support that plants for the growth and development. Today more deep about this chlorophyll we learn here. Plants convert light energy into chemical energy. Therefore, the chemical reaction is get completed in the plant's photosynthesis process. And this energy is stored in the form of food in the plants. See student this first para here. Water, minerals and salts are absorbed by roots from the soil. The stem transports them up to the leaves. झाडाची मुळं मातीमधून पाणी, मिनरल आणि सॉल्ट्स, नॅचरल सॉल्ट्स जे मातीमध्ये असतं, मीठ, ते ॲब्झॉर्ब करतात झाडाची मुळं आणि हे स्टेममधून म्हणजेच झाडाच्या खोडामधनं वरच्या पार्टला लीव्सपर्यंत पानांपर्यंत पोहोचवलं जातं. The leaves have microscopic openings called stomata through which they take in the CO2, that is carbon dioxide from the air. झाडांच्या पानामध्ये स्टोमॅटा नावाचं एक ओपनिंग, मायक्रोस्कोपिक ओपनिंग असतं जे नॅचरली काम करतं आणि त्या स्टोमॅटामुळे हवेमध्ये असलेला मिक्स स्वरूपातला फक्त कार्बन डायऑक्साईड पानांकडनं घेतला जातो. द क्लोरोप्लास्ट present in the leaves contain chlorophyll which absorbs sunlight, helping to convert carbon dioxide and water into food. आणि ह्या झाडांच्या पानामध्ये प्रेझेंट असलेला क्लोरोप्लास्ट मग हवेमधील ऑक्सिजन, कार्बन डायऑक्साईड आणि सनलाईट ह्यांच्याबरोबर केमिकल रिॲक्शन करून झाडाचं फूड तयार करतो. अँड ऑक्सिजन इज गिवन आउट इन दिस प्रोसेस. आणि या सगळ्या प्रोसेसमध्ये ऑक्सिजन हा कंटेंट बाहेर सोडला जातो जो आपल्याला रेस्पिरेशनसाठी उपयोगी पडतो. Besides leaves, photosynthesis takes place in some other plants like green stems too, as they contain chlorophyll. काही झाडांमध्ये पानं नसतात, त्यांचं स्टेम हेच पानांचं काम करतं. त्यांच्यामध्ये फोटोसिंथेसिसची प्रोसिजर ही स्टेमच्या ग्रीन कलरच्या स्टेमच्या साह्यानं कंप्लीट केली जाते. Last lesson student we saw a best example of this is cactus. Cactus don't have leaves and the stem is work for a photosynthesis. So you might be remember or remind that. See here student in the diagram 4.2, chloroplast in a leaf. How the I told now only to you, leaves are get naturally openings, have natural openings because of the stomata procedure. So inside the leaves they have capacity to absorb carbon dioxide for the procedure. This all things completed naturally. So you can see the chloroplast layers how they are available inside the leaf of the plant. The red color circle diagram shows the presence of chloroplast in a leaf, which help very important for photosynthesis process. So I think you understand now. See, the one more diagram is there, student, downside. Transport system in plants. We'll see para also. Before that, after this diagram, you observe the second one diagram also, 4.3 diagram. Transport system in the plants. See, roots, they are section of roots are there, shown yellow color here. Xylem and phloem, these contents are there. So section of stem, you can see absorption of water, mineral, blue color arrow, and chloroplast photosynthesis procedure, and oxygen releasing. The pink color arrow section is shown to show the photosynthesis process or transport system how work. झाडांच्या मुळापासून वरपर्यंत ॲब्झॉर्ब करणं आणि पुन्हा वरपासून तर झाडाच्या मुळापर्यंत फूड प्रोव्हाइड करणं झाडाच्या ग्रोथसाठी, हे आपल्याला ॲरोनी दाखवलेलं आहे. चेन लाईक स्ट्रक्चर इज शोन. सो ऑल द पार्ट्स आर हेल्पिंग टू ग्रोथ ऑफ द प्लांट. Section of leaf is shown here. Lot of layers, even though we saw a very thin structure of leaf is there. पातळ असं पान आपल्याला झाडाचं जरी दिसतं तरी ते खूप महत्त्वाचं कार्य करत असतं. अशी झाडाची असंख्य पानं, सगळी पानं त्या झाडाची फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस करतात आणि संपूर्ण झाडाला वाढ होण्यासाठी मदत होते. ह्याच्यासाठी सगळ्या झाडाचे पार्ट्स, त्या झाडाचे सगळे पार्ट्स एकमेकांना मदत करतात, जसं की रूट, स्टेम, ऑल द पार्ट्स. सेक्शन ऑफ लीफ इज शोन इन द अपसाइड डायग्राम, स्टुडंट. फर्स्ट वन सेक्शन ऑफ स्टेम. सेक्शन मीन्स आतमधली लेअर आपण ज्याला म्हणू, की आत काय असतं पाण्याच्या आत, जे मायक्रोस्कोप, अंडर मायक्रोस्कोप वी कॅन ओनली सी नेकेड आईज, वी कॅनॉट सी दिस सेक्शन्स विथ our open eyes. That purpose we require the microscope. Our body also have the same structure, student. Lot of sections are there inside our skin also. See the para here. Transport system in plant. How transport system work in a plants? One example is given here, student. Take a pumpkin stem having 2 to 3 leaves. Cut it under water with the sharp blade. Take some water in a conical flask and add 7 to 8 drops of ink. शाई ॲड करा त्याच्यामध्ये. Put the pumpkin stem vertically in that flask. Observe the changes that take place in it and discuss them in a classroom. Will do, students, when you come to school. Definitely, I told you in a previous lessons also, whatever practicals are possible to take in a science lab or in a classroom, I will conduct that. So just hope we visit as early as possible after this crisis. The transport system of plants consists of xylem and phloem. These are internal parts of a plant, student. More inside. The xylem transports minerals and water from the root to all aerial part of the plants, that's shown with the blue color line, student. And the phloem transport the food from leaves to other parts of the plant where it is either consumed or stored. म्हणजे फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसिजर होण्यासाठी झाडाच्या मुळाकडनं जे पाणी, सॉल्ट, मिनरल लागतात ते ॲब्झॉर्ब करण्याचं काम आणि पोहोचवण्याचं काम कोणती ट्रान्सपोर्ट सिस्टीम करते, तर झायलेम. दॅट इज कम्प्लिटेड बाय झायलेम. अँड आउटपुट वेन वी गेट आफ्टर फोटोसिंथेसिस, दॅट इज food material for the growth purpose, that get transport by phloem from upside till the downside, that is all part. Though the plants have transport system, they do not have a separate digestive or excretory system which is present in our human body or animals. आपल्या शरीरामध्ये आपण अन्न तयार करत नाहीत, पण आपलं अन्न डायजेस्ट केलं जातं, स्टुडंट्स. झाडांमध्ये ह्यासाठी वेगळ्या सिस्टीम नाही. दे डोंट हॅव, they only have transport system but no excretory separate system, no digestive system. We have that. In our body, we have organs inside our body for digestion, for excretory system, and for the growth and development, which food get converted into blood. All the system work automatically like a machine. Our body work like a machine. आपण सेपरेट बसून यातला कोणतंच कार्य करत नाही. आपलं काम नॅचरली आपोआप आपलं शरीर अन्न जिरवण्याचं, डायजेस्ट करण्याचं सगळं काम आतमध्ये होतं. So we learn a lot of deep concept today. You learn about chlorophyll. You maybe understand about xylem and phloem. I hope I tried my level best to explain you. And till the next video, dear all student, your work is you will write down this new terms in your notebook, that what you understand in your own language. You may write this xylem, phloem, para as a short note. You may no need of drawing diagram, student. Only you observe them properly and write something more about chlorophyll also. So till the next video, take care. Have a nice day. Be safe. Thank you. Bye bye.